to find all my 30-day touch people.
Okay.
I want to find all my delete people.
Okay.
I want to
So
find.
what I would do is whenever you come into your contacts area,
Uh-huh.
this button here allows you to filter your lists. So you can come in here and you could set up a saved filter. To do that, you click on your edit filters.
Where are you at, Mark, on this one?
I'm on the contact list.
And
So
it's under default?
I come into contacts, and right now it probably says default. But if you click on that, down at the bottom, there should be an edit filters.
Got it.
So what that does then is that opens up the filters. What fields do you want to filter on? What do you want to narrow things down? By default, my default, just whenever I'm doing demos and stuff, I default it to my contacts that have presidential in the tag. So it's my dead presidents list.
Okay.
Just so that I don't give away, personal information to anybody. But if you click on this add tags, then it will show you all the tags that you've got in the list, and you can select, which one or ones you want to search on. We have an inclusion list, but we also have an exclusion list. So you might say, show me everybody that's on my 7-year list, but exclude my marketing, whatever. So you can do some weird inclusion exclusion stuff. Most of the time what you're talking about is just the include. So find me
Uh-huh.
everybody on my 7-year list. And then once you have that tag there, you can then save that filter so that you can reuse it over and over again. So you do save as, give it a name, say, 7 7 years, list, whatever, and then I can click on save. Whenever I
Okay.
do that, then that adds it to my drop down. So I now have a 7 years drop down. And if I go to my contacts list, now it's everybody that's on my 7-year list. And I can pick, actually, I already had a 7-year list, but you can then quickly reuse the ones that you want to reuse just by clicking on the down arrow and picking them.
Okay.
That
So,
makes sense?
yes.
Okay.